Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Special thanks to Bernd for supplying me with a sample. Blackbean, also known as Moreton Bay bean or chestnut. Castanospermum, australe. Blackbean is a hardwood native to eastern Australia. Mature examples can grow as high as 40 metres with a breast height diameter of 1.2 metres. Mostly straight grained, although sometimes interlocked. Porous with a fairly coarse texture. Heartwood is chocolate brown to black, streaked with grey brown. Sapwood is white to yellow. Grey brown bark is slightly rough with very small pustules, dense crown of abundant dark green glossy leaves, and large bean-like hanging fruit. It has moderate crushing strength and impact resistance, proved tough in my testing, very poor in steam bending, difficult to dry, tending to split, honeycomb and collapse, has moderate dimensional stability, fairly durable but sapwood susceptible to powder post beetle, specific gravity averaging 0.7. It's moderately tough to work with hand or machine tools, has a moderate blunting effect on edge tools, chops okay, bores okay, glues unreliably due to greasy nature, nails and screws okay, stains well and can be polished to a good finish. Its uses include heavy construction, furniture and cabinet making, turnery, carving, walking and umbrella sticks, gun stocks and knife handles, and decorative veneers. It doesn't appear on either the CITES or IUCN Red List, and my advice is to use widely but from sustainable sources.
If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio!
If you've got some wood that I haven't covered yet in this series, then I'll be very pleased to include it. And if you send me photos of what you've made with it, I'll include those too.